Former Olympic figure skater Alexandra Paul has tragically passed away at the age of 31 in a car crash. Paul, who represented Canada in the 2014 Sochi Games, was involved in a collision in Ontario's Melancthon Township. She finished 18th in the ice dance competition. Alexandra Paul was described as a dedicated and passionate skater who left a lasting impact on the figure skating community. She won a silver medal at the World Junior Figure Skating Championships in 2010 before retiring in 2016.
Like, comment and subscribe for more news.